What's going on, guys? In this video I want to cover my messy chart, 1 minute time frame here, few indicators that I've got, few lines that I put on my chart. Again, trading doesn't need to be extremely overcomplicated. I think especially when you're just starting out, make things as simple as possible. Now, inside of Evolution Traders, my community, I go over multiple different strategies that I use, multiple different setups, I should say, right? I got about 5 setups that I kind of trade as they set up in the day. Um, but for the extended period of time of the last couple of weeks, I've been trading the 1 minute time frame a lot more just due to the range and the volatility. I am a scalper, so I'm mainly looking for around 5, 6 points, 7 points sometimes. So I don't really need the big range. I just need quick moves. So I started my day today. Today is January the 21st. I started my day in the pre-market. And one thing that I was noticing, like when I drew this trend line here, this is when I started to come in and watch the market. I noticed we kind of pulled back, we bounced, we pulled back, we bounced, we pulled back. I'm starting to notice this trend, right? Not, we're holding support at least. And when we kind of came down here this last time, 1 attempt, 2 attempts, we can call this an attempt, 3 attempts, 4 attempts at trying to crack this low, didn't happen. I got a 1 minute 20 SMA set up. Okay. So if you guys are familiar and you guys are in the room or you guys have watched any of my videos, you guys know what the 20 SMA is. And you know how I use it. Okay. So what I'm looking at here, 5:31 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. Okay. Because I'm in California. We have a 10-point range candle. Now I'm okay with risking 10 points. And I'm okay with taking 5 points. So if you look at the high of this candle, as soon as we close over, and I call this the reason why candle, as soon as this reason why candle closes over 21,703, it shoots up to 705, it shoots up to 711. So I'm taking an easy 5 points here. Now I'm trading one mini contract, so that's an easy $100 winner, right? And I say easy loosely, okay, because trading is not easy, but loosely. Now, if we kind of look at what we did off the open, there was an extreme flush, okay? An extreme flush here that we had off the open. And what I was looking at here is once we kind of tagged this 20 SMA once, we spiked above it, we tagged it again. Looks like this candle was going to be a reversal candle. So I was actually kind of seeing if this low was going to hold. We spiked the 20 SMA resistance again. And again, we were over it once, twice, but failed to close above. So automatically, my mind is going to the buyers, the bulls have had multiple opportunities to take this higher. They've had multiple opportunities to run this previous swing high from pre-market. Failed. I was being very, very basic, right? A basic trader. I told myself one thing. If I break this low, if I break this wick, which was, quote unquote, a little bit of a reversal type style candle, right? This hammer candle. If I break this low, I'm going short. Okay. Very simple. I'm going to run a 12 to 15 point stop loss on a play like this because of the volatility is big off the open. I'm going to look for 5, 6, 7 points. I get in, it just flushes, right? So getting in through 21,683 flushes all the way down to 670. Now, I wish I would have held it the whole way, but that's not my style. I'm just going to get in, get out. Do I leave money on the table? Yes. But I'm more so focused for prop firms just trying to log a green day and move it along, move into another account, log a green day and move it along. I want to trade as little as possible. Okay, as little as possible. 1 hour trade day mentality, I've got it. I want to work for 1 hour, meaning I sit at the charts longer than an hour. But if I can get my work done where I make a few trades and I can make some money in an hour, okay, great. You're going to see some of these other markups that I started to do, right? So I took a little bit of a break because I caught those trades in pre-market, caught the flush off the open. So I'm like, okay, I've got a little bit of a cushion here. I don't need to feel too stressed to take any more trades. There was a lot of setups on the 1 minute time frame. We kind of staircased down. I kind of sat out. We put in this low. And now again, reversal candle, right? So once we put in this reversal candle, this here towards that 10 a.m. time, I'm always looking for a 10 a.m. reversal. I'm always looking for a 10 a.m. continuation. So 10 a.m. Eastern time. So for me here in California, 7. And you're going to see yet again, we flush the lows and we put in a big wick, hammer candle. Let me get in to this trade over these 2 wicks. Very simple, 5 points. Now, Did I leave money on the table? Absolutely. Look at how much this ran essentially all day, right? But that's not my style. Again, are you leaving money on the table playing like this? 100%. But you have to understand what type of trader you are. And I know for me, I don't do well with having it go up and having to move my stop loss and manage it. I just feel like I get too invested into the charts emotionally, and it causes me to want to add to my position. It causes me to want to double my size. It throws me off my groove. And I think over the years, I found the most success of just doing what I'm comfortable doing, regardless if I'm right, regardless if it's going to make the most amount of money, so forth and so forth. Okay. The next setup that I took was the breakdown, because notice if we kind of held, right, we held this whole area. Once we closed below it, it also gave me confluence because it's one of my strategies as well. A 1 minute 20 SMA. The low price was 21,620. It shoots down to 21,609. So another 5 points there. So at this point in time, I'm feeling really good about myself. And I know I've got to be careful because once I start feeling really good about myself, I tend to like overtrade. And look at, I'm rotating accounts. So these are not all done on one account. I traded 4 accounts today, 4 fundeds, and I kind of mixed and matched them total. But you're going to see all these lines. I want to always stay on the right side of the trend. How do I know I'm on the right side of the trend? I use a very simple moving average. The 20 SMA. If I'm over the 20 SMA, I kind of want to be long. So that's why you see me drawing these little flags, these little flags for just continuation pops, little flags, boom, right? I thought we were going to break down here. We never broke down this flag. Your chart in your trading does not need to be over complicated. You don't need to overthink things. I would practice this. Start with a small take profit. 8 ticks, 12 ticks. Look for a setup, take the trade, see if it hits. Over time, as you get better at just executing, entering and exiting, you can increase your size gradually. Go from 3-point take profit to 4-point take profit. Test it. Does it work? Go from 4-point take profit to 5-point take profit. Test it. 20 trades, 30 trades, 40 trades. Is it profitable? Where do you notice you win more trades? Is it at 3 points? Is it at 5? Is it at 5? Is it at 10? Where do you notice you feel comfortable? Where do you notice you stay the most focused? What time of day do you do the best? Start testing. I hope this video helps you guys. If you want to trade with me each and every single day live, you guys can join the community down below in the description box, get access to all my courses, the live trading that we do. We do calls each and every single day. Also, if you guys need Apex accounts, I know it's not the best sale right now, but you can use code DAnthony. You're going to get the best available rate that Apex is currently offering. Make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see all of you guys on the next video.